Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got issue 72 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so it's been a while. These did take a long while to get here. So in this delivery, I only got 3 issues. I got 72, 73 and 74. Issue 75 is out of stock at the moment. So yeah, but with these 3 issues, we can complete the door. So as you can see, we get the windows and LEDs for this one. So we have done this one. It's very, very similar to the issue we did. It's identical to the issue we did a few issues ago. So we're going to be putting the LEDs in. You're going to want the yellow one this side, and then 2 reds. And then we're going to put a tab just there in the corner, just to hold that down. Then we can assemble the actual cog mechanism that enables us to roll the windows up and down. Insert the window, and yeah, keep this window spare for the next issue. And coming up in the next issue, we actually get the frame of the door. So yeah, as you can see, there's not too much to do in this one. We have done it before, so it should be quite quick and easy video for this one. So let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring back this part here. This is what we finished up making in issue 71. And we're going to go this side. So the actual gold piece here, that is going to be red. This one is going to be red. And this one here is going to be yellow. So that's where we're going to be putting our LEDs. So let's get these in. So we want the yellow one this side. Plug that in. This one wants to be red as well. And this one over in this corner here also wants to be red. So you do have the little trail across here to actually put your wires in, which I didn't know last time. Didn't notice till the end of the video. So that's that on there. This wire here wants to be coming up the back, just up here, just like so. It's still tangled up a little. Unravel that. So now we're going to want to put a tab just in this corner, just here. This is going to be held in with an AP screw. So here's our tab. The screw wants to go on the inside. Let's get that tab on first. It can be quite awkward to fit it in. There we go. And take an AP screw. Let's secure this one onto there. Come on, get back on. There we are. Let's get this in. And there we are. That is our LEDs all installed, ready to use. Okay, so now let's get these cog pieces in. So you want the fatter one and the thinner one to start off with. So the thinner one wants to go at the top here. The fatter one wants to go down the bottom here. So this is the one that actually we're going to actually turn to move the others. So we're going to need HP screws to secure these 2 in. Let's get the first HP screw in. The first one, second one, just down here. Make sure that you can turn them and they turn freely. That one's a little struggling a little, so just going to undo that just a tad. That's better. Now we're going to take the larger cog, and one side is smooth, the other side does have an indentation. We want the indentation part facing out the way. So slot that into position in between the 2 cogs, making sure when you turn it, it doesn't catch the wire, which mine does. So I'm going to move this wire out of the way. There we are. So that does turn quite freely in there now. So we can put our final screw in. Let's go smack bang in the center. And look at that, it still turns really, really freely. So the only thing left to do is put this window part in here. This one is going this way around. It's going to want to line up with this bottom cog here. So when we turn it, as you can see, The window does go up and down really, really freely. The one on the other side was a bit stiff. So we don't actually use this part of the window just yet. So we can put them to the side, ready for the next issue. So as I said before, we do get the actual frame. So we're going to install all of this that we've done into the actual frame of the door. So there you go, guys. Nice, quick and easy one for you. So the next one will be out tomorrow, issue 73. Make sure you have a look out for that. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.